Well, today we're mixing, as I said, Falloween, mixing fall with Halloween. It gives our kids an opportunity to experience sensory interactions. Every table offers sounds, different textures, different interactions with toys or objects at each table.
What's it saying, Coy?
We have a Halloween carnival for all of our students, and so we're just getting them exposed to what Halloween is, dressing up, and then a lot of sensory play to get them used to different sounds and textures and things like that.